If you want to solve battery drain issue on Samsung phone after One UI 7 update, please follow the step. First, go to your phone app and dial *#9900#. Now scroll down and find out battery starts reset. From here, reset your battery. Then follow the next step. Open your phone setting, scroll down, go to device care. Now tap on battery. Now go to background usage limit. From here, enable put unused app to sleep. Now follow the third step. Go to your connection setting. Tap on more connection setting. From here, nearby device scanning option turn off. It helps to fix your Samsung One UI 7 battery drain issue. Now go back and follow the most important part, clear system cache from your Android device. For doing this, please follow on screen instruction.